All right, this is a quick video to show you how you can get one of these Inkbird solid state switches working with this very inexpensive XT-WT04 Thermocouple controller, which has worked really well. All right, so the tricky thing is the wiring here. I'm going to go over it quickly. So I've got the Thermocouple controller powered by this wire coming in here. This is just from some random DC power source I held on to. This one is, here, I'll unplug it. You can see the ratings on this one, 9 volts. All right, so I've got that running in. That power source, the red wire from that power source comes here in this splice. One edge of that splice goes up here to that top lead in the switch that is powered by this amp, this switch that's underpowered for what I'm doing. I'm doing a 1000-watt burner, so I need the Inkbird in order to amperage that. All right, so this 3-part splice, one part going up there, and the other wire going here to the positive of the power in to power this device, and that's it. Yep. And then the black wires, so again, off the power source, I have 3 wires coming together here. One of them is going straight away to right here on the Inkbird, and the other one is going to the negative power in on the thermocouple switch. And then the wire I haven't told you about yet is this other red off of this switch. That one is coming, and that is going to the positive end on the Inkbird. And then these leads out here, those are just to the temperature sensor, which is out over there. So it's come off my burner, so that burner's gonna be running because I had this going. So I had it set to turn on at 80 degrees Celsius. Oh good, it's going down. So right now you can see this light here, indicator light, is off. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this temperature sensor back to where, so that's where it gets hottest quickest. So this is gonna turn on once that gets down to 70, because in the settings I set it to give a 10 degrees Celsius gap before it turns on. So we just gotta be patient here. Maybe I should have blown on that. Well, you can stop the video now if you're done with it. Oh, the other thing to tell you is I have the AC line coming in here. So this is just plugged into a regular outlet right here. This is it. And that is just passing through. So I take the black wire from that AC straight up 110, and you just run the black wire 1, 2, and then nothing else. I didn't disrupt either of the others. I just stripped them, and they come out and to this plug, and that wire, oh, it just turned on. I heard it switch, so it got down to 70. That turned on, red light on, burner should be going, and the thermocouple should start heating up in a minute. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay. The bug's crawling on me. Did you know it's beautiful in Pennsylvania? It is. So again, you don't have to be patient, but when this goes up to 80 degrees, it's going to turn off, and then of course the temperature is going to keep going up because, you know, it takes a little bit to conduct the heat, and you'll see it in a sec. Oh, went off. There you go. So I got it working. This is a very inexpensive way to do it. This thermocouple switch, I'm happy with it. All right, have a great day. Bye.